Turn your leftover Christmas dinner into a delicious pie, and it's one that doesn't need puff pastry. Start by melting some butter in a pan and then add white flour and mix. Once golden brown, add milk and then whisk. You should have a consistency like this. Add in cheese, mustard and seasoning and give it a mix. If it's too thick, you can add in more milk. Once your sauce is ready, add in your leftover vegetables and meat. Ensure everything is bite-sized. On low heat, combine the mixture so the white sauce coats all the veg and meat. Once everything is well coated, add the mixture to your baking dish. Top this with mashed potato, and if you didn't make cheesy mashed potato, sprinkle some cheese on top. Prick the mashed potato and then bake in the oven for about 50 minutes until hot. The end result is a Betwixmas pie, perfect for after Christmas. Serve with your favourite gravy and your favourite condiments. A perfect way to upcycle your roast dinners.